You're stuck in a crowded coffee shop on a busy workday, scrambling to meet that looming deadline. Your workhorse laptop from 2 years ago suddenly decides it's not going to cooperate. The Wi-Fi icon says, "No internet," the screen won't rotate, and your poor battery can barely muster 4 hours of power. That's when you realize it's time to upgrade. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 is here to revolutionize the way you work on the go. As a business user, you're not just looking for any laptop. You're searching for an ultra-reliable device that'll withstand the demands of your ever-changing job. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 was created with just that in mind. With an impressive track record of reliability, the ThinkPad E16 meets MIL-STD 810H military-grade standards, putting your mind at ease. Whether you're working outdoors, in the office, or in cramped boardrooms, this laptop's got your back. Literally. At first glance, the ThinkPad E16 exudes sophistication and professionalism. Weighing in at a comfortable 1.9 kilograms, this laptop boasts a sturdy aluminum unibody design, which not only exudes durability, but also reduces weight. The matte black finish creates a sleek, minimalist look, while the textured lid ensures a smooth touch. Lenovo's signature ThinkPad logo proudly adorns the top right corner. But it's not just about looks, it's about usability as well. The keyboard, crafted with precision and ergonomics in mind, offers a snappy, tactile typing experience. This backlit keyboard also allows for customization, thanks to various brightness levels. Furthermore, you'll appreciate the dedicated numeric keypad for data entry and the built-in trackpad, perfect for presentations, browsing, and everyday tasks. The touchscreen display, too, adds flexibility to your workflow. The Lenovo ThinkPad E16 comes equipped with an AMD Ryzen 5 7530U processor, boasting 6 cores and providing superior efficiency and speed. This powerhouse processor effortlessly handles multiple tasks simultaneously, such as video editing, web development, and simultaneous video conferencing. You also get 16 GB DDR4 RAM, giving you sufficient memory for smooth multitasking. And let's not forget the rapid-fire 512 GB PCIe NVMe M.2 SSD, ensuring blazing fast data transfer rates, essential for professionals on the move. To see just how the ThinkPad E16 performs in the real world, let's put it through its paces. Imagine you're a remote marketing guru, creating engaging campaigns and analyzing their efficiency. With this laptop, you can seamlessly switch between Google Sheets, Adobe Premiere Pro, and web pages, all while video conferencing with a potential client. Your colleagues can rely on the robust Wi-Fi connectivity and rapid Ethernet port, as this powerful device supports up to 2.4 gigabits per second of data transmission. Now, let's talk about battery life and charging. Lenovo didn't hold back. The ThinkPad E16 comes with a 72 Wh battery that can easily last from 9 to 14 hours on a single charge. Rapid charging, too, means you can top off your battery from 0 to 80% in just 35 minutes, getting you back in the game in no time. As with any product, there are pros and cons to consider. On the plus side, you get a stunning 16-inch full HD touchscreen display with IPS technology and anti-glare coating, providing an immersive viewing experience. Additionally, this laptop features USB-C connectivity, an SD card reader, an HDMI port, and a micro USB 3.2 Gen 1 port, offering an assortment of connections. As you might expect, there are some drawbacks as well. With the inclusion of such powerful hardware, the price is slightly above the average. Also, while the display is excellent, the matte finish may be slightly reflective in bright lighting. Lastly, Lenovo opted to include Windows 11 Pro with Copilot, a relatively new service. Copilot may be worth exploring for those who enjoy Microsoft's ecosystem and want AI-driven suggestions while working. Compared to other laptops in its class, the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 stands out in its own way. The Dell XPS 16, for example, boasts a more compact design, but at the cost of portability. HP's NV16 offers more color options, but at a higher price point. After putting the ThinkPad E16 through its paces, we're glad to deliver our verdict. This business-class laptop is the perfect companion for those who demand seamless remote work, powerful performance, and rugged build quality. The AMD Ryzen 5 7530U processor shines in demanding tasks, paired with an impressive 72 battery that gets the job done. Add the excellent keyboard, robust connectivity options, and stunning display, and you get the perfect device for work on the move. In short, if you're a professional searching for a laptop that combines performance, reliability, and style, the Lenovo ThinkPad E16 should be at the top of your shopping list. With business-grade security features and an affordable price point, it's a shrewd investment for your career.